After the installation of data channel, this dashboard will appear one by one. I am selecting the information here. First, service IP. Service IP is that this computer. Which computer is going to make a like a price server? We have to select the same computer IP here, 165. Service port is the default, is automatically come. Type, okay. From Oracle you want to print the ShelfTag, or from the offline service like Excel. So right now we are going with Oracle, so let it be. The second, server IP address, like BO IP address you have to put here. I am giving one IP like our production, test production. Port number is default. Here you have to put SID. What is the SID of the BO? Back office, right? PS1. Okay. And user ID. Price label and the password. View name you have to type here as per the defined policy. This is the scenario for the offline service. When we will go, then we will show you. This part for the activity log already I have enabled here, but you have to give path where all the logs will record. So in the as per the defined policy, we are keeping in the C drive. So I am taking our this folder and we will keep in the C drive. And you have to give complete full permission of this folder. Then your service channel can access and record all the logs here. For the service, for the security, so for the settings, for the security permission, you have to do right click on the folder and go in the properties, then security. This user is using by this user with the computer, then edit, select again the users and click allow all permissions, apply, then OK. First,
that folder we have to give same name or you can give any name?
Yeah, you can give any name.
Any name.
Yeah, any name. When we are installing the web API, that time IS error logs is important. But the service channels, you can give any name, doesn't matter. But this is the defined standard we are using right now for the understanding. Suppose in the future you can see so many folders. So one folder, you know, IS error log for the logs only for the data service channel we can know. For the standard we are using it, not standard compatibility anything we are using right now. For the verification, you have to open all the sheets here and you can check all the security has been done or not. See, allow all, cancel. The permission has done. Now in the path we are going to give browse and go in C drive, this folder, Excel file, okay. And this is data configuration. In which country, like Bahrain and Saudi Arabia, where you are going to use this one, you have to select here, then Saudi Arabia and save. Configuration updated. This message means your all setup has been completed successfully. Okay, and start the service. After you start the service, this service channel will call to our BO, and once you scan from the PDA, your PDA will automatically appear here. Yeah, this PDA is using for the price tag application. I will show you now. You can see in the checklist the same. Give price server IP, what we have done, what we have done right now, all the have recorded here. I select enable option after select country, click save and click start service, and now this checklist has been completed. The second, we are coming in the PDA. The APK installation. the APK installation, we have approximately 10 APK versions. Right now, the latest APK file we are using, the version name is 12.0.
This is the final build.
This is the final.
Final
Yeah.
build.
One by one, we have tested a lot. We have insisted to supplier, no, we have need this requirement, this requirement. This is the latest we have fixed right now. So this is the version.
Updated
Final one updated है.
Yes. This is the version.
बाद में आपको अपडेट
हाँ अगर कुछ change हुआ करेंगे और दूसरा update बना.
This is the APK file. This APK file we have to copy in the PDA. So I will copy from here and I will paste in. This is the define
basically
only.
the installation file. APK file is installation file. We copy that and start install.
Then download and simply going to paste. Yeah, this is paste. That means your APK file has been copied in the PDA. Now we will come in PDA and we will install.
No, this video it will we can look like this after we connect to USB, right?
Yes.
That's
by
how to connect to USB.
USB. Then after you can paste. How will the location is the EDK internal download. The same location I am going to there. Download. You can find this ShelfTag. Now you are installing here. Your APK has been installed. This is the ShelfTag application. First, before opening this, I will connect the Bluetooth printer with this computer. This is the Zebra for 520 because I have selected this because the RP plug and play. No need to do the configuration. That's why right now I am connecting this ShelfTag printer because we have to configure Bluetooth. How to it? Then I will show you now. Yeah, this is the utility. I'm making all this printer.
Deep, Akhil, what did he say now? Why you are not going with EDK? RP4.
because it is just plug and play.
What is the difference?
Plug and play means that just directly you don't need to configure anything.
What?
No configuration is required, directly you can start working on it.
You can plug. You need to
Like
configure
keyboard,
the-
mouse.
Hmm?
Like keyboard, mouse, they are not configuring anything. Just plug it.
Kaisa, how it will work?
Maybe inbuilt they have,
Hmm?
maybe the supplier.
Oh. How it will connect? It will connect to the PDA directly, or we need to add in the PDA? Huh? Okay. Ask questions, huh?
Yes. We will show you how to connect printer by Bluetooth with PDA. First, I'm going to configure this printer. Bluetooth configuration. Bluetooth features is already available in this ShelfTag printer, but you have to configure, like you have to give the friendly name of the Bluetooth. Okay, this is the always standard. Directly you can give like Hasnain. No, you have to put standard.
उसका क्या लोकेशन ड्रॉ करता हूँ इधर तो डायरेक्ट
This is the utility software for the configuration of the ShelfTag printer. Simply I have opened here, and this ShelfTag I have connected with a USB cable. You can see as per the model already like ZQ520 is available there.
Different model.
Yes. Simply I'm going to configure printer settings like 4.00.
No, how we know that model is our model?
Yes, when you click here, then like see Zebra technology that means detected. This printer is detected with this. I'm going this. Suppose I'm going this one. I'm going with this. You can see there is nothing, not getting data. Configure printer setting.
DDI में जाके पता नहीं कर सकते कौन सा प्रिंटर कनेक्ट है
No, this is not any internal memory. So in D drive, suppose the ShelfTag printer has internal memory, then it will detect there.
जैसा डिवाइस प्रिंटर्स
Device printer
मल्टीपल
में।
ऑफ प्रिंटर्स बताता ना,
Yes.
वैसा ये एप्लीकेशन में वैसा मल्टीपल प्रिंटर्स बताता, जो ऑनलाइन है उसको अपन सेलेक्ट करके कॉन्फ़िगरेशंस करते हैं.
All like brand has invented simple different utilities. So this utility is for the Zebra ShelfTag.
But the old Zebra model also same utility.
Yeah.
RW.
Yes.
Same
Same
model.
utility we are using.
It's showing there RW port 20. When we connect with
Yes.
RW.
Yeah.
This
But
is
there is no
the
Bluetooth in
high-
that one. That RW, there is no Bluetooth.
No, no. Where? Which one?
Or the,
Yeah. 420.
Separate.
These two types of model is
Mhm.
Bluetooth and Wi-Fi.
But before we haven't purchased that Bluetooth because we are using only Wi-Fi. That's
It's
why.
wireless.
Our requirement was different.
Now this information is a standard 160. The next darkness we have selected
Print
25.
configuration.
Yes,
Yeah.
ShelfTag, the darkness,
Label size.
label size, and dark mode off. Next, gap sense. This is the label size, gap sense, and black mark. Which label you are using current now? You have to select your gap sense, no pause, and ignore. Next, and the finish. The second,
After you click finish, you will notice it moved a little. So you
Yes.
know it's taking configuration.
that means all the setting is affecting with the printer. Nothing movement.
There is some issue.
This is the configuration setting of the label, and now I'm going to configure the connectivity. Which connectivity? Bluetooth. Because right now we are using the Bluetooth features, so that's why we have to configure here Bluetooth features in this ShelfTag printer. Simple. You have to select the Bluetooth. The next, the friendly name. I told you. I already mentioned in the documents. If you have the more issues, not understanding completely, you can go through the documents and the checklist. You can understand very well with the image and with the figure also. The standard name is ZQ 520. We will start from the 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16 as live. This let it be on. Password is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 as you like. iOS should be off because we are not using iOS operating OS live. Next, and the finish. Your printer will restart automatically all for the setups completely. After restarting all the setup what you have done here, it will affect automatically.
If it did not restart, there is some issue there.
Yes, if the printer did not start, that means you are going a wrong way.
Either select
Some configuration.
You have to find a root cause why it is not restarting.
Wrong icon
Mm,
from
the-
here or
no.
some issue.
Yeah. This is the symbol you are going perfectly. The printer has been started. Now I'll go in the PDF ShelfTag. As you know, we have installed the ShelfTag application. Now we are going to configure the ShelfTag application for till how to print ShelfTag. Simply, you have to open this ShelfTag application. You can see this dashboard of the ShelfTag APK file. Simply, you have to click in settings, and here you have to fill all the information whatever you want as per the standard. Server IP, which IP, where we have installed data service channel, that IP you have to put here, not a BO, because BO information already we kept in that price server computer. Here you have to keep like price server information. 0.169. Oh, sorry. 165. As we told in the last, we had presented in the last presentation, we have two types of installation, where we are in the socket, but right now we are installing in the branches, and we went live also with the socket. So right now I am showing only sockets. When you click socket, your default port automatically came, same like data service channel. Service channel is also 11000. In our scenario, in our UCS, we are using two types of branded printer, ShelfTag printer, Honeywell and Zebra. You have to see which printer right now we are going to use. You have to select your printer model. Right now we are using Zebra. It should come automatically. Why? Because we didn't connected Bluetooth. our printer is not connecting with this ShelfTag application. That's why it is not showing here. So that means you are going wrongly. So first you have to connect Bluetooth. See, I'm going in Bluetooth. I'm making on. In the Zebra printer scenario. Now I am coming on the RP also. In RP, no need to do anything. Simply you have to click. Suppose you will make on your power on the RP printer, and the RP printer will show here. Simply click. It will connect automatically. No need to do any acknowledgement. But in this scenario, you have to click one button, tick like arrow for the acknowledgement. The ShelfTag printer is asking, okay, I am ready to connect, but you have to give acknowledgement.
Yes.
Okay, and here allow and pair. Now pairing is happening.
Now automatically it will connect.
It's taking time. Usually it is not taking time like this. Looking off again. This new printer I have some route from there actually. What is happening? Manzar, I think there is some issues in there. Bring one printer from my table. It's taking one maybe 30 seconds only for the connectivity. It's taking more time. That's why there is some issues.
Network limited है क्या? Network में कुछ setting है?
No,
No, Bluetooth means
there is no any settings of the network.
Immediately pull.
or
Yeah.
you can remove this USB cables.
No, not required.
Because for wireless it is required, you have to remove
Yeah.
from the printer.
Second one. Second one.
सिग्नल वाला ले लो,
Stop कर दो.
उसको ऑफ कर दो. At the time of session, this problem is happening. So to better understanding.
Testing when we go there only issues.
Yeah, now it's coming here.
It's down.
Yeah, connected. Another printer we have connected simply. Now again, I'm coming the ShelfTag. 0.165. Then click socket. Zebra. It will come automatically here. The media table types. We have two types of labels. Before we are using all the gaps. But now in the future we will go to use the black mark also. That time we will use this one. Already we have tested in the test case. We have all the scenarios also. So right now I'm using this. I'm selecting this label with gaps, because label with gaps, this ShelfTag I'm keeping here. These gaps. This is the difference you can use. This is the gaps. And the size automatically default is come. First time you have to calibrate of the printer. Calibrate, that means all the settings supplier has kept in the ShelfTag, this APK, all will transfer here, and the calibrate is the better. And save.
RP, if we calibrate, all the settings will go. Like there is no Bluetooth, there is no Bluetooth settings, no.
Okay.
Like so, if we calibrate, all the settings will go, Bluetooth and everything.
So you again have to
Actually,
put
this
again.
printer some has some
What is
issues.
You have to put the setting again or what?
No, if we
There
calibrate,
no need to.
now RP is plug and play, no.
Yes.
How it is taking the
Setting.
labels and every settings means we are clicking calibrate, then all the settings will
Okay.
communication will happen.
Same will perform with RP.
Hmm?
Calibration.
Yeah, calibration we have to do.
But it's not coming because we have to connect this Wi-Fi. Bluetooth has connected now. I'm going to go to the Wi-Fi. For the Wi-Fi connectivity, see, simple, same like this mobile. This is our SSID. Select and give password. Yeah, correct. Okay, and ShelfTag. I will show you here also. In the server, as I told you, it will come automatically. See, this device information came here. Yes, log file, and the price came here. And you can print simply. And print. Actually, this printer is not good. This printer is not good, but I will show you in another way.
Yeah, what happened?
Just keep from the branches. We have to see what is the issue. The ShelfTag application has been installation has been completed now, and simply this service channel you have to do. You have to only minimize. It will come on the system tray.
Now this is very important.
Yeah.
We have to check whenever we get a call. We have to check the services active or not.
The services. Now in this scenario, 50, 100, 10 PDA you want to run in these branches, simply keeping all the price tags information here in the another PDA and start printing. All PDA information will record in service channel. Same like this. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. No dependency. In one printer also. This Bluetooth we can connect in 2, 3, 5, 4 PDA. One by suppose from here, from Stag, from Gopal, they all the connect one printer, and one by one they can print. It will come 1, 2, 3, 4 like this. Yes, already we tested.
Because Bluetooth, I think, only one way.
No,
No, one
we have already
one
we have
printer,
tested.
multiple
Multiple
devices.
devices.
Pairing at the same time.
Yeah, pairing at
At
the
the
same
same time. The two-way communication. Bluetooth is a two-way communication. I guess.
Yes, but some the pairing only for one device. Same like headphone. Earphone would only pair with one device.
No,
So want
we-
to pair
we-
with
we
another
can
device,
pair-
you have to
we can-
disconnect.
We can
from
pair.
there.
We can
We
pair
already
and
have
pair.
tested.
Now there is selecting the printer, right?
Yeah.
We're selecting the printer.
Yeah.
That's it. Secondly,
Security access before installation.
Show that with the Excel also, okay? Make the offline and show.
yeah, just now I'm going to show.
Security access before installation.
Yeah, we
Some
will
security access need to be.
So one PDA you can print in two printer at a time? Possible?
No,
one printer, we can print two printer.
no, one printer.
That's why actually no. This will connect only one printer.
One printer, we can connect two PDA. Suppose
Okay.
we have old one price application and new. We can configure Wi-Fi and Bluetooth both in one time.
Okay.
The MAM3 we have tested. Once we are going to go live, already application was there. We install the new application, and from old one and from new one, the EDK, we have printed, right? From the old application or new application, because right now we are scared because we didn't test completely. So as per the instruction, we decided any problem will happen, then simply we will stop the new one and we will open new one, old one. So we have tested already 2 PDA. We can connect in one printer, 2, 3, 4.
This means 2 PDA different applications, not same application.
Same application also.
Same application also we can connect.
Just
No.
making sure that some devices they will pair only with one device. So this printer can pair with multiple.
We will show you, no problem. After this, we will show you.
You can just in test and
Like
Yeah.
example, we have a Wi-Fi printers also, Wi-Fi or Bluetooth printers. We can, this is printer or not devices.
No, I know. I'm just checking.
Bluetooth also, Bluetooth printers
Because
also.
Bluetooth, some devices
Yeah.
they will say pair only with one device at a
In my
time.
table, one device is there.
You can print it.
No, you can check it afterwards.
Okay.
Just we can complete.
This is the online scenario completely. The second, the offline. And a disaster happen, then what was the scenario? Simply you have to go in the service channel. First we will discuss with our team, okay, this disaster happened in the stores anywhere. So our retail team will generate the new Excel file for the updated Excel sheet.
Now here in online also you can point to the other branch view also, right?
Yeah.
So this also we have. We can print the data from the different branch view also. Just we need to give the IP of them.
Yes, simple. Stop the services. First you have to stop the service. Then again you have to go in service configuration. And simply go in Excel. All data will be disabled.
तो सेम टाइमिंग सेटिंग चेंज करना पड़ेगा.
Yeah,
हाँ,
no
setting
problem.
change करना पड़ेगा and we have to download the view. We have to download the Excel file, current latest price Excel file. We have to put that in that location.
Yeah.
This is
See got this one. Now is Oracle using now. Now I'm selecting this Excel and simple save.
Path.
Path is already there.
No, it is log for the path.
yeah,
Sorry. Excel and save. Start services.
How this file will generate?
no, we will take the
Manually.
report और हम लोग लेके देते हैं. Sister branch.